So a day before this ride happened, we got instructions from our director in college that we should go out and do some field research regarding the current transportation design assignment that we had going on. And me and Datta are basically the only ones in our batch, in our transportation design batch that is, that do motorcycle riding. So we just looked at each other and immediately thought that this is a great opportunity to go on a bike ride. We've been planning one for ages and now we have a really good reason to do one. Fortunately, the topics that both of us had chosen as well involved going to a village for research. So we thought, yeah, we need to do this now, we need to do it soon. So guess what? The next day, 24th August, we got our bikes and we decided to go to Bhuleshwar temple. There are a few villages around Bhuleshwar temple. We decided to figure out which one to go to as soon as we got there. But we figured we'd go there, go and get a darshan of the temple, which would be a nice side benefit of going there. And we left pretty late as well, which in retrospect wasn't the best idea. But yeah, 9:30, really late, super chill.
What is it?
No, no. Camera la hai mon. Tam mone lagi na mone ho gaya.
हो गया यो
अरे बोरो केलं 50,000 उलटी लावू. Speed matching here wasn't really such a problem. I mean, both are 200cc pulsars, and yes, the BS4 is quicker, but the NS BS6 does not fall that behind. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a classic famous YouTuber moment. Waving to kids in the bus, it felt good. I am the furthest thing from famous, but it was fun to do this. Doesn't happen a lot if you don't have a super bike, but like when you're in full riding gear, you look pretty cool on the road. You look pretty cool. The Bhuleshwar temple is basically along the same road that our college is on. Now both of us are in MIT Institute of Design. So we basically just followed Pune-Solapur highway right ahead and took a few turns here and there. अरे इथे ना एक सेकंड, तू ते मगाच पाहिलं का? मी कॅमेरा बंद केला, तू पुढे गेला आणि मध्ये एक गाडी होती ती माझ्या पुढे ओकली बाई. ओकली अशी मध्ये रस्त्यात. पण हे बंद होतं तेव्हा. I'm not kidding when I say that the woman vomited right in front of me. We were going at like 60-65 and I would have probably ran over the vomit, maybe slipped. I swear I have not braked that urgently ever in my life. I'd be lying if I said that I have used the full cornering potential of my motorcycle. I really haven't. But I have old tires and I'm like pretty nervous on two-way roads in the ghats because people approach from the front in whatever lane they want. There's no such thing as lane discipline, but I am going to get better at it. I will.
तुझी गाडी चाल.
ए नको बाबा, ए बाबा
गेअर मध्ये ठेव गाडी. असं ओव्हर हँडल पकड.
नको माझी फाटते जरा अशी कड्यांवर थोडी. नको तू तुझी आण पाहिजे, मी तुझा काढतो. The temple itself was super beautiful. I didn't think it would be as amazing as it was. really enjoyed there. And we weren't supposed to take pictures inside the mandir, but I'm pretty sure Datta asked somebody if we were allowed to, and then being the enthusiast that he is, he went nuts and he did a great job with it as well. Now for the task at hand, finding a village nearby. The village we decided to go to is a small village called Mashiras, which was very nearby. And we basically had to do primary research regarding our assignment, which we did really well, and Datta is fantastic at speaking with locals and just making them feel super comfortable regarding whatever research we're gathering.
काम झालेलं आहे अशा प्रकारे.
We stopped on the way back and switched motorcycles as well. Now both of these are essentially the same engine, but with very different state of tunes and some modifications done to the BS614 emissions, the oxygen sensor, CatCon, all of that. So the BS4 RS feels very different. It's much quicker, it's much more fun to ride than the NS, I'll definitely give it that. Refinement has taken a serious hit, and the lots of body panels on the RS, they vibrate a lot. You can feel that, you can even hear that. But terrific experience. Like, Datta's RS is a beautiful machine. He's maintained it really nicely. Overall, fantastic ride, man. Like, it was awesome fun. Me and Datta have been meaning to do this for a while, and yeah, it was a phenomenal time.